Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this particular video I'm going to be sharing with you a very powerful strategy. This particular strategy, I've actually made video about it before, but I have to actually do one or two settings because this is one of the best strategy I often trade with. For those of you that will be asking me the best strategy to trade, I do recommend this particular strategy. Try to learn how this particular strategy works and trade using it. You can stick with this particular strategy if it actually works for you. This particular strategy comes with just two indicators. So what I have to do is to come over to the indicators section right here, and I'm going to be using 2 moving average and 1 MACD. This is just the indicators we're going to be using. So right here we're going to come over to the settings of the first moving average, which come with the period of 5. The moving average, we're going to be making use of SMA. So right here on the style level, I'm actually going to be using, let's use this purple color. I'm going to be using it on 3 pixels. So when you're done, just click on save. So right here, the settings of our second moving average comes with the period of 7. Let's set this at 7. Now moving average remains SMA. Right here on the style level, let's actually use this particular color and let's use it on 3 pixels. So when you're done, just click on save. Now the settings of my MACD comes with the fast period of 6. Let's actually turn this as 6. The slow period 26, while the signal period as 9. Right here on the style level, we're going to maintain this color, which will have green, red, green, red. I'm going to turn it on 1 pixels each. Do ensure you take those lines right here, and when you're done, just click on save. This particular strategy is a very powerful one, guys. All I do advise you to do is to watch this video to the end so that you'll be able to see how I explain your entry and your exit level using this particular strategy. And also this particular strategy, I'm actually making use of the hike and Ashi candlestick, and I'm also going to be using 15 seconds candle time frame. Not only that, guys, I'm actually trading this particular strategy on 1 minute 30 seconds. I hope you're getting it right. So for those of you that will be asking me the best time to trade this particular strategy, just try check in the description. I'm actually going to be listing out the very best time I often trade where the market works perfectly. This particular strategy works both on OTC and on real markets. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, if you're interested with the broker I often trade with, I trade with Pocket Option Broker. That is one of the best broker you can use to trade binary option. If you really want to sign up, the link is in the description. You can use my promo code and you're going to have 50% discount on all your deposit, guys. So guys, this is how the strategy works. First and foremost, you must be able to identify a strong candlestick lining up. Once you're able to identify it, in the case of a buy trade, you must be able to see strong candlestick, guys. This is one of the first instructions you should be able to align yourself with. And not only that, immediately you see a strong candlestick lining up, you should be able to see your 2 moving average crossing each other, giving you the trend confirmation. And not only that, guys, your MACD line, the 2 line must be able to intersect each other, giving you the same confirmation. I hope you're getting it right. It has to cross each other, guys, giving you the trend confirmation before you can actually enter a trade. In the case of a sell trade, you should be able to see a strong bearish candle printing out, giving you a good confirmation that okay, this particular trade is actually going on a downward direction. Also, your MACD line must be able to cross each other from the overbought condition, giving you a downtrend confirmation before you can be able to enter a trade. So guys, for you to better understand this particular strategy, I'll be going into the market right away. When I find an opportunity, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, we find a very good opportunity right at this particular level. I'm going to be entering this trade with $100. I'm going to be entering this trade with $100 right at this particular level, guys. So guys, the reasons why I enter this trade is pretty much simple. The first thing I considered is the candlestick right here. You can see we have a very strong candlestick right at this particular level. That is the first thing I considered right here. The next thing I also considered is the moving average line. The 2 moving average line intersect each other, giving me the trend confirmation. And not only that, guys, our MACD line crosses each other as well, giving me an uptrend confirmation. That is the reasons why I actually placed my trade, guys. So the basic thing you need to consider is your candlestick, guys. It has to be a very strong candlestick before you actually place a trade. I hope you're getting it right. So a situation whereby the candlestick are choppy like this, please do not enter a trade. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, I really want to enter this trade with $100 because you know me as a risk manager, but unfortunately the button actually clicked twice. So I'm actually entering the trade with $200, guys. So we have 10 seconds to the end of this trade. Let's actually wait and see how the trade will turn out to be. And as you can see, guys, we hit a very good profit right here, guys. Now, for those of you that are actually asking me why I'm actually using 1 minute and 30 seconds, it's pretty much simple. Most of the times, in the case of 1 minute, you can see that the market will come back and stop you out before start moving. So that extra 30 seconds there is to allow the market to retrace back to its normal position, putting us on a profit before the closure of the market. I tried this out in different trade time. I tried out in 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. I realized that 1 minute and 30 seconds is one of the best trade time to trade using this particular strategy, guys. So guys, I have to go into the market again. When I find another opportunity, I have to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, we found a good opportunity right here. I'm going to be entering a buy trade right at this particular level with $200 right here, guys. And the reasons why I'm actually entering this trade, guys, is pretty much simple. The first reason is that you can see the consistency of my candlestick right here. This is a very strong candlestick lining up right at this particular level. You can see right here my two moving average line crossing each other, giving me an uptrend confirmation. And not only that, guys, you can see right at this particular level as well my MACD line intersect each other, giving me the same confirmation into the trade. That's the reasons why I actually place the trade, guys. So the basic thing you need to consider is the consistency of your candlestick, the crossing over of your two moving average, and also the crossing over of your MACD lines. These are actually things you need to consider in the market while taking a trade. I hope you're getting it right. So we have 26 seconds to the end of this trade. Let's actually wait patiently and see how this trade will turn out to be. So right here, guys, we hit a very good profit right at this particular level. This is a very good profit we are hitting right here, guys. Now the reasons why I'm actually using 1 minute 30 seconds, as I've said initially, is that it will allow the market to reposition itself towards our own profitability. I hope you're getting it. Assuming we're using 1 minute, would have been on a loss, but as you can see right here, that 30 seconds right there really helps the market to reposition itself, which puts us on a very good profit, guys. I hope you're getting. You can actually try out different time. You can try out 2 minutes to really see the one that actually works best for you, guys. So guys, I'm going to go into the market again to find an opportunity, and if I see, I'm going to come right here and explain to you how this particular strategy really works. So guys, if I find another opportunity for a buy trade again, I'm going to be entering $300 trade right at this particular level. The reasons why I actually entered the trade, guys, is pretty much simple. The first thing I consider right here, as I've always said, please guys, do ensure you follow this particular strategy I'm talking about, because when you do, you're going to have a very good win. It pains my heart whenever most of you comes to my DM or probably comment on this, on the comment section telling me how the strategy doesn't work. It looks like I'm actually lying, or it's actually magic right here, guys. This strategy works for me and it's working pretty much well. I don't know why it doesn't work for you, but I'm very pretty much sure that it doesn't work for you because you are not following the instructions, guys. The first thing you need to consider, guys, is the consistency of your candlestick. When you have the consistency of your candlestick, that gives you a very good edge in trading, guys. And also, guys, you need to see the two moving average line has to cross each other, giving you the trend confirmation, guys. And not only that, guys, your MACD line must be able to cross each other as well, giving you a confirmation into the trade, guys. These are things you just need to consider before you enter a trade. I hope you're getting it right. When you consider all those things, I'm pretty much sure you're going to be on a very good win, guys. So guys, we have 5 seconds to the end of the trade. And as you can see right here, guys, we hit a very beautiful trade right at this particular level with a very good trade. So let's see if we can take this account to $1,000 on this particular video, but I'm very sure with this particular strategy, I'm going to move it straight up to $20,000, guys, probably in the next 3 days. So guys, let me actually go into the market for my last trade. When I find another opportunity, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, I think we're having a very good opportunity right at this particular level. So we're going to be entering a sell trade right at this particular level, guys. I'm going to be entering a sell trade right here, guys. So the first thing I consider right here, as I've always said in my subsequent trades, is your candlestick. Your consistency of your candlestick is pretty much important. And not only that, your two moving average line must be able to intersect each other, giving you the trend confirmation. The same thing with your MACD line. So they have to intersect each other and give you the same confirmations before you enter a trade, guys. Another thing I do advise you to consider is the trend. The trend is your friend. You need to consider that anytime you're taking a trade. As you can see, we're actually on a clear downtrend. If the market is forming a lower low, a lower high, lower low, a lower high, lower low, a lower high, and we're expecting the market to form a lower low right at this particular level. That is another confirmation we had before we take a trade, guys. We have 22 seconds to the end of the trade. Let's actually wait and see how the market will turn out to be. So guys, we have 5 seconds to the end of the trade, and as you can see, guys, we hit a very beautiful trade right at this particular level. We hit a very wonderful trade right at this particular level, guys. Try to ensure you try out this strategy. Let me know how this particular strategy works. So guys, you can actually make use of the broker I'm actually using. The link is in the description. Use my promo code and you're going to have 50% discount on all the deposits you're going to make. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. If you like this video, do ensure you subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so you miss any of our amazing videos. Like our videos, share our videos to your loved ones. Until I see you again in another video, guys, don't give up in trading, guys. Keep trading and bye for now.